Alright guys, the next one that we're doing, if I can click it over, is not the key plate. It is the ISO bracket. Set it up here, ISO 2. Alright, so the last one I kind of started with a big object and cut away. This one I'm going to build. So it is 5 this way. I'm kind of making the base to it 2.125, 0.375 up, 0.375 up. 5 that way, 2.125. Alright, so I have the basic bottom of this ISO bracket. I'm going to do the upright part here on the back. Alright, from the very bottom to the very top is what it tells me on the paper, and it's 2.125. The width of this part is 1.75. Alright, I took it down. I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy, add thickness to it. Alright, thickness is 0.375. I'm connecting my corners. Connecting here. Then I'm going to trim the extra and get rid of that. Alright, now I'm going to do the hole that's drilled through here. First thing I want to do, I want to make sure I'm on my ISO plane left. Alright, I need to know my center point, so I'm going over this way, 0.875, down 0.875, ISO circle, D for diameter, 0.625. Alright, I'm going to copy it back. That's the front face. Now the back face would be 0.375 this way. Alright, the second one is 0.375 back. I trimmed it because I will only see this little bit inside of it. Alright, now the next part I'm going to do. Alright, so I have these circles here. Next part, working my way over, is the angled part. It is 0.375 wide, 0.375 that way. Alright, I can't just do the angle it tells me on the paper, so I actually have to draw it looking straight on to get the lengths, because I can't type in the angle. So my height, I did 1.75. I have it there because that is my height here. Alright, my bottom, I'll just make long. Then the angle on the paper, it tells me is 51 degrees. So I'm going to do a little mental math. 180 minus 51. So I'm going to do tab 129. I'll double check my angle, make sure I'm right. 51. So I need this distance right here. 1.4171. So here I'm going to come out 1.4171. Connect up. I'll take that, copy it over to there. Close it in. Trim there, and there. Get rid of that dimension for now, and that line can go too. Alright, so while I'm doing angles, the next section has another angle. It comes over flat a little bit before it angles down. It goes 0.375 over, 0.375 back, and there. That line I can get rid of. I'm going to draw for this angle. So 1.75 is going to be my vertical distance. It goes down. I'm going to make the flat line going across. Alright, this angle is 40 degrees. So from this side, I'm going to hit tab, and it will be 140, because 180 minus 40. I will double check. Here to here. It's 40, it's good. Mine's not touching, so I just got to make it a little bit longer. Extend it down. Alright, here to here is that. Here to here is that. So on the end of this line, I'm going to come down 1.75. Then 30 degrees this way is going to be 2.0856. Bring it up. I'm going to take it, copy it to the other corner. Connect it over. Trim. Trim. These little bits I delete. That line I can get rid of. I have that. Next I'm going to do the isocircles on here, which I want to be on isoplane top. I'm coming in this way, 0.875, and then to the first hole is 0.75 in to the center point. Then to the second one, it's 1.375. Axis end, isocircle, click on the end point, D enter for diameter. 0.625 for that. Now I'll copy, bring it over. So I have the top edges. I'm going to copy them down 0.375 to get the bottom edges. Trim. Alright, then the last thing I have to do is this corner is cut on an angle here. Alright, so I'm going to do my length this way, 1.75. And then it is cut on a 37-degree angle. So do tab 37. Take this edge up. So 37, so my lengths 1.75, 1.3187. So on here, I'm going to come in 1.75. Then along the other edge, I'm going to come 1.3187. Connect to the end point. Take these lines down, across. I'll delete. Alright. Then I have the drawing done, and all I have left are my dimensions, which I'm going to pause, and well, I'll just leave it on. They're going to be aligned. Let me go dimension. Alright, so I got that length there. Let me do my height. I'll do my thickness this way and this way. Thickness there. Grab this edge. Alright, I know my dimensions are a little clustered, but I'll straighten them out once I get them all on here. There. Alright, for some of the angles, I just labeled lengths. For this one, I'm going to use angular. Now it's not going to come up right. Alright, came up as 51. But if I double click, then I can edit it. And this one should be 40 degrees. Alright, so I got there. Let me do my overall. Corner to corner. Oop. Not with linear, with aligned. Corner there. Alright, I'm going to pause and align my dimensions. Or it won't let me pause, and I'll do it right now. Dimension edit, so dimed, oblique. Bring those out that way. Bring these two that way. There. Oblique. Bring straight up. Oblique. Go that way. Oblique. Go up. Oblique. Go up. Couple more right there, and I'll pull that one 30 degrees that way. Now I'm just going to move them around a little bit to make them easier to see and read, so they're not overlapping. Brought that up, pull that. Pull that down. There. Pull that out a little bit. There. Back, up, thickness, angle, and one more. I forgot this distance here. 0.375. On straight up. Alright, so that's all the dimensions, all the linear ones. For the ISO circles, I'm just going to use a leader. That way I can just label one. I'll go diameter 0.625 times 3. Oh, it jumped off the screen. that back in. Diameter 0.625 times 3. There we go. And with that, all my dimensions are done.